Hello there, and this is PNG logo. Client provided me the PNG logo, and if you would like to make animated version, I can do this work for you. So client sent me this PNG version, and that's the PNG version. I made animated version with Adobe After Effects. This is the software I used, and this is the working process. I made this logo animated version like this. See, it's really cool and cool effect. And after export it will be like this. So I made this one without background, and if you need with background like your brand color white or whatever you need, I can do, no problem. So this kind of logo you can use everywhere, like social media, video, email signature, and website, whatever you like. And if you have this kind of PNG logo, no problem, you can send me with my email address with description, and if you need animated version, I can make like this. So thank you.